As of late 2025, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Nikon Z6iii stand out as leading devices in their respective categories. The iPhone 17 Pro represents the pinnacle of smartphone technology, offering users a powerful combination of advanced computing, high-quality photography, and seamless connectivity. Meanwhile, the Nikon Z6iii is anticipated to set new standards in the mirrorless camera market, catering to photography enthusiasts and professionals seeking superior image quality and manual controls. Each device is designed to meet distinct user needs, with the iPhone 17 Pro excelling as an all-in-one solution, and the Nikon Z6iii focusing on dedicated photographic performance. Their prominence underscores the ongoing innovation and competition in both the smartphone and camera industries. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro, released on September 19, 2025, features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with ProMotion technology, offering adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz and peak brightness reaching 3000 nits. Powered by the Apple A19 Pro chip, it boasts a 6-core CPU and 5-core GPU, enabling hardware-accelerated ray tracing for enhanced graphics performance. The device comes equipped with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. Its camera system includes triple 48mm fusion cameras on the rear, providing both 4x and 8x optical zoom, and an 18mm center stage front camera with AI-powered auto-framing and ultra-stabilized 4K HDR video recording. The iPhone 17 Pro offers impressive battery life, supporting up to 33 hours of video playback and 30 hours of streaming. Pricing starts at $1,099 for the 256GB model, positioning it as a premium choice for users seeking cutting-edge technology and versatility. The Nikon Z6iii is poised to introduce several notable enhancements over its predecessor, making it a highly anticipated release among photography enthusiasts. Its display is expected to feature a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting LCD screen, providing improved visibility and flexibility for various shooting angles. The camera is anticipated to incorporate an upgraded image processor, which should deliver faster performance and more efficient handling of high-resolution images. In terms of camera capabilities, the Z6iii is likely to offer a full-frame sensor with increased resolution and enhanced low-light performance, catering to both professional and creative needs. Battery life is also expected to see improvements, with support for USB-C charging for added convenience during extended shoots. Storage options are projected to include dual memory card slots, accommodating both CF Express Type B and SD UHS-2 cards, along with a larger buffer for continuous shooting. These advancements collectively aim to elevate the user experience and provide greater versatility for demanding photographic tasks. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Nikon Z6iii are designed for distinctly different audiences. The iPhone 17 Pro serves as an all-in-one smartphone, catering to users who value versatility, portability, and seamless integration of communication, entertainment, and photography. Its advanced computational photography, features, and triple camera system make it ideal for capturing high-quality images and videos in everyday scenarios. In contrast, the Nikon Z6iii is a dedicated mirrorless camera aimed at photography enthusiasts and professionals who prioritize manual controls, superior image quality, and lens compatibility. While the iPhone excels in convenience and multifunctionality, the Nikon Z6iii is expected to offer enhanced low-light performance and greater creative control. Ultimately, the choice between these devices depends on whether users seek a powerful smartphone with strong imaging capabilities or a specialized camera for professional-grade photography. When deciding between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Nikon Z6iii, it's important to consider your specific needs and how you plan to use the device. The iPhone 17 Pro excels as a versatile smartphone, offering advanced photography features alongside everyday communication, internet access, and a wide range of apps. Its computational photography and AI-powered camera system make it ideal for users who want high-quality images without carrying extra equipment. On the other hand, the Nikon Z6iii is designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals who prioritize manual controls, superior image quality, and lens flexibility. While it may require additional accessories and is less portable, it offers a dedicated experience for capturing stunning photos in various conditions. Ultimately, your choice should reflect whether you value the convenience of an all-in-one device or the specialized capabilities of a professional camera.